Our final keynote speaker, specifically, he'll be a familiar face for those of you who were here earlier today. I have the pleasure of welcoming back Daniel Radwansky, co-founder of StegX. He is going to take a closer look at tokenization and the future of institutional real estate investment. Daniel, the stage is yours.
A warm welcome to everybody here in Frankfurt and the viewers online. I'm Daniel, co-founder of StegX, a one-stop shop and marketplace solution for institutional real estate investors. Today, I want to share with you our vision of the future for institutional real estate. Our team at StegX is working since decades side by side with major market participants. And in this time, we have seen how little has changed in the real estate market, but how much is possible in other asset classes. Therefore, we often like to refer to a dinosaur when we describe the current situation in the real estate market. Everybody knows it will change, but most market participants just close their eyes and hope for the best. Today, I want to focus on the two most important market participants, real estate asset managers and institutional investors. In our view at StegX, those two market participants are not efficiently connected, and that's one of the major reasons why the last dinosaur is still alive. But why are they not really connected? At first, the real estate market is highly fragmented because it consists of many small or medium-sized organizations who simply lack the size or investment volumes to connect to other market participants outside their home markets. And at second, the real estate market is illiquid. Real estate as an asset class does not have any major marketplace infrastructure which can connect market participants on a global scale. But enough looking backwards for today. I'm actually here to share with you how we at StegX envision a digital future for real estate investing. In our vision, one platform will connect all stakeholders along the whole value chain. And we believe in technology, in particular in the blockchain technology, which will help us to remove many of the inefficient parts of the real estate life cycle. And those improvements, they will help the market participants. They will help the market participants to get back the freedom to focus on what they do best. Real estate investors will have the opportunity to access more real estate investments, to build their customized portfolios, and to access secondary market infrastructure where they can rebalance and reallocate their portfolio. Asset managers will benefit from digital solutions in the establishment and the structuring of real estate investments. And for those investment products, they can raise capital on the primary markets. A more efficient primary market will help us to remove many of the market participants and the expensive middlemen that in the capital raising process, and help us to decrease the time to market for our new investment products from months to days. All of this is already possible today, but we need to join forces. We need to join forces with a global network of specialized partners. And we are building one ecosystem which connects all of those stakeholders along the whole value chain. We connect all stakeholders to those services and financial intermediaries they need to reach their goals. Real estate asset managers and investors will have the access to digital solutions which help them to build and manage their real estate portfolio much more efficiently. The StegX ecosystem will act as an accelerator or intermediary in this, and we will connect the whole industry via one user interface. In addition, the ecosystem will include all mandatory and major components that are required to build a marketplace infrastructure that runs on the blockchain technology. We believe that the blockchain technology is the missing building block in building a marketplace infrastructure that connects all market participants on a global scale. Therefore, we built a marketplace that connects the investment products, whether those are traditional investment products or digital investment products of professional real estate managers with institutional investors around the world. Those institutional investors will have the opportunity to trade their real estate investments like they are used to trade other liquid asset classes like stocks or others. It might surprise you that we actually believe that the investment product will not change too much, but that the technology on which they are administrated will change. We believe that for most conservative investors, the first step into the age of digital assets will be the tokenization of traditional investment structures like real estate funds or securities. In order to create those regulatory compliant investment structures, which are well known by the internal legal departments and the internal management boards, and provide a clear regulatory framework, we use those investment products and apply the magic of tokenization. We call those hybrid assets because actually the traditional investment vehicles are wrapped digitally and therefore they are administrable on the blockchain technology. But to achieve this mission, we need to combine the innovation of the blockchain technology with the building blocks of the legacy financial system in order to comply with the regulatory frameworks and in order to give institutional investors the much needed security to take the first steps into the age of digital assets. So let's look back at all of this from the eye of an investor and ask ourselves, why should all this matter? Why should I, as an institutional investor, benefit from the blockchain technology? In simple terms, it makes it more easier to invest. If I would be an institutional investor, a global marketplace infrastructure would offer me that I save resources, especially time and money, that I do not need to buy the whole building, I can just buy fractions of it, that I have access to more investment opportunities, that I have access to more asset managers and more specialized investment strategies. And if I need to rebalance or reallocate my portfolio, then I can have the chance or the access to more and other market participants around the world to trade my real estate investments, basically to sell my shares or my tokenized investments on a regulated marketplace infrastructure. We believe that the introduction of the marketplace infrastructure and the transformation of the traditional investment vehicles to digital assets is only the first step. But we don't know what will come next. Out there are many builders in the Web3 and the DeFi space who are building great new solutions, and more traditional market participants are entering this industry to offer new solutions to their clients. What we see is that those solutions all need to have in the background a purpose for their customers. But we don't know really what will come next. It will be critical for the DeFi space to bring more real assets into the DeFi world because they are more conservative and they give more stability to the crypto industry. And so I want to close our short keynote speech with telling you that all of this, what I have shown today, is already possible. And because this is possible, we can use this for real estate, but we can also use this for other asset classes like private equity, infrastructure, and other real assets which are illiquid today. I want to thank you for your attention, and feel free to reach out to us at StegX, join us, connect to us, or speak to us later on out here in the lobby or somewhere else over the dinner. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Daniel, for a very forward-looking keynote.